Hello, my boss.
What's going on?
Hi.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, sir.
You too.
Perfect.
No. Well, no, I haven't. Big boy. They just came out with it last year. Oh.
We're gonna make a spare key, so we put the key in the slot and we're gonna wait 3 minutes. Programming successful. Lock, unlock, and take care of this very quick.
Thank you.
Good. Work. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't. You want my phone? What do you want?
How are you? God bless you.
Appreciate you, man.
You're welcome. Bye.